Now let's explore the essential steps to perform during the first boot of MODICIA O.S. Display all available desktops simultaneously. Set up shortcuts for quick access to home directories. Configure full system instant search for files and folders. Enable and configure the network monitor. Activate automatic cleanup for system and application notifications. The main menu includes a search function. Hover briefly over any icon to read a short description of the program in your language. Press Ctrl+Win to open the global menu in full screen mode with application search. Press Ctrl+Alt to expose and align all open windows, programs, and files on the desktop. Press Ctrl+ spacebar to launch the textual search and application launcher, centered on the desktop. Press Ctrl+Z to activate the resource monitor at the top of the screen. At the top of the Favorites section in the main menu, you'll find the launcher for MODICIA O.S. control panel. From there, you can access all useful and personal configurations to make your workstation productive and tailored to your workflow. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you enjoyed it, a like would be appreciated. See you soon and happy working!